Today, we're excited to bring you an in-depth review of the latest Fait Strada model, a car that's been making waves in the industry with its stunning design, impressive performance, and advanced features. The Fait Strada is a masterclass in modern design, with a sleek and sophisticated exterior that's sure to turn heads. The slim LED headlights, chrome accents, and 20-inch alloy wheels add a touch of elegance and refinement to the overall design. The Strada's iconic shape and proportions have been retained, but with a modern twist that gives it a fresh and exciting look. But the Fait Strada is more than just a pretty face. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful and efficient electric motor that delivers exceptional acceleration and responsiveness. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling twisty roads, this car is always up for the task. The smooth shifting transmission and precise handling make it a joy to drive, while the advanced safety features provide peace of mind. One of the standout features of this car is its incredible performance. The Fait Strada can go from 0-60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest production electric vehicles on the market. The advanced all-wheel drive system and electronic stability control provide exceptional traction and stability, giving you the confidence to push the car to its limits. In addition to its impressive performance, the Fait Strada also features a range of advanced technologies designed to make your driving experience safer, more comfortable, and more enjoyable. From advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning, to convenient amenities like a premium infotainment system and heated and cooled seats, this car has everything you need to stay connected, comfortable, and entertained on the go. Now, let's take a look inside. The interior of the Fait Strada is a masterclass in luxury and design, with premium materials, comfortable seating, and intuitive controls creating a driving environment that's both relaxing and engaging. The advanced infotainment system and connectivity features make it easy to stay connected and entertained on the go, while the available premium audio system and ambient lighting add a touch of luxury to the overall experience. The interior space is also impressive, with plenty of room for passengers and cargo. The Strada's spacious interior and generous cargo capacity make it perfect for road trips, daily commutes, and everything in between. We're also impressed by this car's advanced safety features. With features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, you'll have peace of mind on the road. The Fait Strada has also received top safety ratings from reputable organizations, giving you added confidence behind the wheel. Overall, we're thoroughly impressed by the Fait Strada. Its stunning design, impressive performance, and advanced features make it a standout in its class. Whether you're looking for a luxurious and innovative electric vehicle or a comfortable and practical daily driver, the Fait Strada is definitely worth considering. So, what do you think about the Fait Strada? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about this incredible vehicle, be sure to check out our other videos and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road. The Fait Strada is a testament to Fait's commitment to innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction. We're excited to see what the future holds for this innovative brand.